So welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today's video is what everyone wants to know. How do I get a dark green lawn during the summer months? So what are my options? So you're in the right place. So let's take a look at the lawn, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I use to stay dark green during the summer months. So stay tuned. All right, so here we go. So this is the front yard, and this is how it's looking. A lot of people been asking for more front yard videos and how to maintain the front yard a lot better, because this is the main yard that everyone sees, whether they're driving by your house or if you got guests coming over. First yard they see is the front yard. So everyone want to know how to keep your curb appeal nice and neat and looking good. So this is my front yard here. Now this yard I fertilized with a Scott's Lawn Food about little over a month ago. It was a 3204 formula, 32% nitrogen, 0 phosphorus, 4% potash with 1% iron. So I haven't fertilized since then, but this is how it's been looking from a proper mowing schedule and water. So but it's been a lot of, we had a lot of hot days. Like it's been very hot, late 80s, mid 90s, and very humid. So this yard has been treated for funguses with a fungicide treatment. I did that video maybe over a month ago. So you want to be ahead of it. So you want to make sure you get a fungicide down on your yard so you don't run into any problems there. But this is both of them. This is side number one, side number two here. So as you can see, everything has been mowed, clipped, striped a little bit. I got it to look good. And this yard is made up fully of turf type tall fescue. So this is how my yard is looking, and this is how it's looking from the street view. Basically curb appeal. Remember, I redid all the borders and everything. So this is what people are looking to do, looking to keep your yard looking good. This is my yard. So let's get back to today's video. So everyone's been asking, how do you keep your yard nice, deep green during the hot summer months without a lot of growth? So I use a product called Ironite. I did a video on it last year, and a lot of people still couldn't really understand the video. Well, they understood the video, but they said that Ironite did not work for them. So I wanted to go over it once again and let you guys know there's probably a few steps you're probably doing wrong using the product. So we're gonna go and talk about that right now. All right, so here we go. This is the product I've used in the past. I did a video on it last year, and this product is called Ironite. As you can see, it's a 101 formula. That means 1% nitrogen, 0 phosphorus, 1% potash. It's a non-staining and non-burning formula if you use it in the proper way. Non-staining meaning if you're gonna put it down and a little bit gets on your walkway, or you know, your stones or anything, it shouldn't stain. But I would not leave it there too long. Make sure if you do get anything on your sidewalks or anything like that, just go ahead and sweep it or blow it back into your grass areas. Do not blow this product into, you know, drains or anything like that. This is a product I've used in the past with great results. But I'm wondering, a lot of people say they didn't have good success with this product. And one could be that you fertilized your yard too soon. Like I said, I fertilized my yard over a month ago, and this main reason for this product is to give your lawn a nice green pop with a low nitrogen feeding. So a low nitrogen feeding, you're not going to push too much grass top growth. So but it's going to give your yard that nice deep green look. Now, me fertilizing my yard over a month ago, this product should work fine. But if you fertilize your yard 2 weeks ago, and then you try to go ahead and put this product down, depending on what fertilizer you use, this product may not look like it's gonna work. Because say if you use something like Milorganite, a lot of people use Milorganite, and Milorganite has it's a 640 formula. So 6% nitrogen, 4% phosphorus, zero potash. But I believe Milorganite got about 3% iron inside the the granulars. So that 3% iron is that's what gives you that green up on your grass. It goes iron, and with the nitrogen, that's gonna give you that nice green look. So a lot of people that use Milorganite already have a green yard. So your yard or your grass is at its greenest that it can possibly get to. So using this product maybe a week or two after you use Milorganite, something like that, you're not going to see the full effects of this product. So a lot of people say, oh, well, the Ironite did not work for me, I don't like the product. So I would say, if you're going to use this product, make sure you haven't fertilized. If you're going to use this product and you want to see the green, make sure you haven't fertilized within maybe 4 or 5 weeks. I would say something like that. But this is a supplement fertilizer, so you can use this product in between other fertilizers. So if you do use Milorganite 2 weeks ago, and then you want to put this down just to give it a light, your yard a nice little light feeding and a boost, then you could do that also. But if you want to see the full effects of this product, then yeah, like I said, you shouldn't fertilize your yard within like 4 or 5 weeks. Then use this product. Second, this product also says, it tells you to water your yard before using this product 1 to 2 days before. So it says mow your grass and then water your yard 1 or 2 days before using this Ironite product. Let's turn it over. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but that's what it tells you. It says, for best results, mow the lawn, water it well 1 or 2 days before applying Ironite. So I wonder if a lot of people are skipping that step, because if you go ahead and you're in a store, most likely you buy this product, you take it home, you're going to use it the same day. So did you guys water your yard that day, or maybe the day before or 2 days before? So you got to ask yourself that question. Did you mow your grass? Because you got to keep your grass at a nice clean height. My grass is currently at 3 1/4. Like I said, I mowed it a day ago, and it's been watered. So when I throw this product down, now my soil is soft, and this product can absorb into the soil a lot easier. And you're gonna water this product in after you put it down. So you're gonna water before and water after. So I wonder if you guys are skipping out on that step, because that makes a big difference. You don't want to put this product on top of dry soil, even though you're gonna water it in. But it's still, if that's what they explain the product, how to use it, you got to follow all the full steps to get the best results with these products. So I wonder if you guys are using the product the proper way. Like I said, I've used this product in the past. I have great results. Now maybe everyone is different. You know, maybe you just probably don't see the results, and it could be just an eye thing. If your grass is already at its greenest state, and that's where I'm going to get to next, because every different grass type and texture also has a certain green up that it can green up capabilities. So I know Kentucky bluegrass is probably one of the best grass types at greening up, to getting a dark green look. And I think followed by ryegrass, and then the turf type tall fescue, some kind of fescue is probably coming in third. And then you have your warm season grasses like St. Augustine, Bermuda grass, stuff like that. I don't know too much about the warm season grasses, how deep green they get. So, you know, you might have to look at your grass texture itself. So, can your grass type get a real dark green? And that also comes from the quality of grass seeds that you're using also. Now, grass seed don't matter, but it does matter. Like growing power, grass seed don't matter. But as far as how green a certain grass can get, it probably comes off that'll come off a quality of grass. So a lot of things factor in. I don't want to talk too much, but those are a few things that I wanted to explain to you guys about using this product. And also, are you guys using the proper amount of product? Are you measuring out the proper amount of product to put down on your lawn? Do you know the size of your lawn? All of that type of stuff factors in. This product says use 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So that's pretty much a lot of product that's going to go down when you're using this product. So if you're under fertilizing, then you might not get the full green effect that you want to see. You can over fertilize too. Sometimes you know, putting down too much of a product, you know, you don't want to do that also, even though, you know, it's a non-burning formula, but you don't want to put down too much of a fertilizer. But under fertilizing, you definitely not going to see the full effects of the grass green up that you want to see. So all of that type of stuff factors in. It says put down 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So today I'm going to go ahead and put down 1.5 pounds of this product for my front yard here. Is totals out to 1,000 square feet. So 1.5 pounds both sides. That should do the trick. And then I'm going to water it in. Today is actually supposed to rain anyway, so I'll get a free watering from Mother Nature. So let's go ahead. Let's get this product down. All right, so got 1.5 pounds here. And also, when you're buying this product, make sure you get a good clean bag. You don't want it wet. Sometimes the bags in the stores are wet and the product is already clumped together, but this is how the product looks. Alright, so as you guys can see, I finished spreading down my product. So this product is going to take at least 5 days to work into the soil. Like I said, you got to lightly water it in after you spread down the product, but you also got to water the soil and deeply 1 to 2 days before using the product. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you used this product in the past, please comment in the comment section and tell me how the results was for you. Did you miss any of the steps that I explained, or did you follow all the steps and it still didn't work? I would like to know all of that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, stay tuned. We got a lot more work to be done. If you want, there's gonna be a little clip of the backyard at the end of the video. You can take a look at that and we'll go from there. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much and stay tuned.